I guess in this video I'm going to discuss about using exits and not exits in correlated subquery. So at here the definition is about the exits operator. So it tests for existence of rows in the result set of the subquery. So exits and not exits only return true and false in the subquery. So this is the subquery part here. So whenever or that condition is matched, so that return true. So if that condition is not satisfied, then that return false. So when match row is found, so when match row is found, then the subquery return a value true to the outer query. So if you execute this one, so this is the inner query part. So here that match found, this the condition is satisfied. So this is returned to the outer query. So this is the outer part here. So when you execute this one, so this will return some values. So at here, this is the record here, it's a display. The salary between 5 to 10,000. See how? So this is the salary between 5 to 10,000. So that means this is true here. So this is exits operator return true. So return true to the outer query. So this is the outer query part. And with exit statement, we are using where clause. So if you add here include any other operator, so let's see what happens. So definitely that gives the error. So missing expression like this. So see at your cursor blink to this point. That means there is the error. So with exit statement, you have to use where clause. Now suppose here I'm going to make the condition false. So condition false means at here if you execute this query, so at here there is no any salary between 50,000 to 1 lakh. So if you execute this, so here there is no any match found. Now there is no any match found. That means this return false to the outer query. So at here let's execute. So false to the outer query, that means it return nothing. So there is no any record loading at here. So this is about exits statement. Now here after the next point is I'm going to use exits statement in correlated subquery. So how do we know the query is a correlated subquery? So if you execute this inner query or subquery, so at here definitely you get the error. The error message is even salary invalid identifier. So that means even is the even value. It's depend upon the outer query. So it's depend upon the here. This is so employees at here even is the alias of employees table. And here I'm trying to check in the condition even dot salary. So even dot salary it comes from the outer query. So that means this value is dependent upon the outer query. So if you get any kind of error and here this is dependent upon the outer query, that means at here this is the correlated subquery. So at a correlated subquery that depend upon the outer query here. Now here, so this at a let's execute. So at here it's displaying salary greater than average salary without using exit statement. So without using exit statement, so at here we can calculate salary greater than average salary. Now here after I'm using exit statement. So exit statement. So the same thing here. So at here first I'm going to check this is a correlated subquery or not. So at here getting the same error message at here even alias. So at here even alias, this is the employees or table even is the alias of employees table. So this at here this is a searching even dot salary. So it comes from the outer query. So at here this inner query values that retrieve outer query. But at here it's when I'm going to execute this inner query, so at here it's returning at an invalid identifier. So that it's a correlated subquery because it wants the values from the outer query. So this is what the correlated query. Now here after if you execute this, so at here I'm getting the expected output salary greater than average salary by using exit statement. So if you execute this query, so salary select department ID, average salary from employees group by department ID. So how do we know that here? So if you calculate average salary, so this is the average salary of 100, 30, null, 90. Now here after I'm going to check the average salary of 90. So 90 is the 90,333. Okay, let's execute that. Now here after let's search 19,333. So at a first let's execute this query. So at a 90. So 90, 24,000 and here 17,000, 17,000. So but the average salary of DPT 90 is the 19,333. So there is a one row values 24,000 is the greater than 19,000. Rest two are not greater than 90,333. So that at here when you execute this query, so it will display at here only department ID 24,000 here. So this is the way by using exit statement we can calculate salary greater than average salary. So and here even is the alias of employees table. So this is the auto query part here. Inside inner query I created at here E2 is the alias of employees. Now here after where even dot id compare with id. So when IDs match and here making the group by on E2. So E2 is the inner or table employees or alias and here making a group. So department ID 19 one group, 20 one group, 13 one group. Hereafter having, so giving the condition on even dot salary. So if you execute this query, so there is this value even dot salary. So this will check average salary. So average salary like 24,000 here. This is the salary, and if you calculate the average salary of these three, so the value comes 19,333. So 24,000 is greater than 19,000. This condition is satisfied. 70,000 and 17,000. So this two values is not greater than 19,333. So only this row that will return. So when the employee even department ID and E2 department ID when that match. So this the things about exits statement. So that means it returns some values. So it returns some matching value so that here this condition is true. So this condition is true so that after we can this return true values so to the outer query. So this is the outer query part here. So that when you execute this query, so this will return expected output. So this is about the exits statement in correlated subquery. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.